Hi, hello. Okay, let's go. Another chismis. Kaniha, I didn't know na a lot have no idea na they can actually apply kung saan sila na bansa ngayon. As long as you have legal papers, have legal stays, have work permits, you have student's ID of course because you're working dyan sa Middle East or sa Taiwan or kahit kung saan, basta outside Philippines. Again, yes, it's fine to apply, but this is relating to recent videos about VFS mismo. They're telling applicants to remove their documents, even strong ties, even proof of relationships. Lalo na sa ibang bansa, they will gonna say na, oh, applying here. Hindi ka nag-a-apply sa Pinas, so you don't have to give us these proofs, you don't have to give us these documents. Please, again, do not listen to them. Do not let them remove your documents. Think that if they were gonna remove those papers, how can the embassy know na, for example, yung proof of relationship, gustong kunin, gustong tanggalin. I have an applicant recently, she applied sa Saudi. Sabi ng VFS to remove this documents, proof of relationship, kasi are applying here. You don't need this. But her visa is about visit visa. It's about visiting her boyfriend. Paano malalaman ng embassy na jowa sila, na magkakilala sila if you were gonna remove the documents? She insisted and ayun, officer accepted the papers. So yun, if the officers will gonna reason out to those na mag-a-apply DIY, kayo mismo yung mag-aasikaso, you will not ask for any help from anyone, since them na you will gonna submit those documents. Make sure na madami talaga kayong masubmit. Kayo makinig na kesyo, dyan kayo nag-apply, okay lang na wala yung mga papeles na ganyan. No, please. Sasabihin din nila na, oh, you have to follow this list kasi dito ka naman nag-apply. Just the same. Kahit naman sa websites, they will only put only few requirements. Yet again, you have to submit a lot. You have to convince them, you have to reason out to them. So please, just be ready. Gather all documents you can. Baga, be prepared kaysa kulang-kulang. Okay? Have a good day.